So let me get this straight. You want to be an animal doctor. What do they call this? The veterinarian. Let me see that. Are these your grades? Is this a parking ticket? Look, kids, I can't make heads or tails out of this shit. Are they good or bad? When you bring this home, are your parents happy or they just beat your ass? Well, you need good grades, right? I mean, that's all I usually ever say. You gotta like to take care of animals. Know a lot about animals. Alright, what's the difference between a wood squirrel and a gray squirrel? Who gives a shit, right? Who cares? Well, you have to now. You gotta know all that pointless bullshit. Congratulations, that's your life. Oh, fuck, I'm not gonna make it. Oh. Kid, you're looking at years of not having dick in your wallet. You're going to be like your old man, right? That's the one that gets fired a lot, right? Picks you up late. Look, I know this guy. You don't know him, but I know him. And he hired a Puerto Rican to do some things. And the Puerto Rican made $400 in one night. And get this, the Puerto Rican didn't have to know a fucking thing about wood squirrels. Yeah. So keep your options open. Don't commit. Hey, kid, by the way, if you ever want to leave class, I can sell you a hall pass. This is a good shit. $70. How much do you have? All right. Okay. All right. Get out of here. Follow your dreams.